Well, I definitely did not need this, but here it is anyway. Once you see it, you will know why. It had to be mine. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon. Am I recording? Yes, I am. And click the bell notification icon and like the videos that you enjoy. I think that's where I was. Okay, I have this unboxing for you from Coach. And it's actually from the Coach Outlet. If any of you, I'm sure some of you did, saw this on the Coach Outlet, you would immediately have thought of me, I'm certain. And you would have thought, oh, Autumn bought that. Yeah, I did. Okay, I also have a reveal of another Coach item that I got off eBay that is very cool. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna unbox this one and then I will reveal the other one. I'm kind of excited. I've never ordered an item like this from Coach, but I do have, here's a clue for you, I do have about 50 million other of these from other brands. Here it is. It's wrapped in tissue paper, which is unusual. I think this came from a store. I think that's why it's wrapped up like this. And when I got it on the Coach Outlet, I saw it and it said low stock, almost out of stock, something like that. And I've had this happen to me before on the same website. You go and it says add to bag and you click that and it gives you a little message that says there aren't any available, even though the add to bag button is available. So that's annoying. Sometimes you just wait a little bit and one will come available again because somebody had it in their cart and their cart expired. But in this case, they all got sold out before I was able to add one to my cart. But I checked back a few hours later in that same day and it was available again. So I think what happened, I'm guessing, is that the Coach Outlet website distribution center had a stock. They sold out of those, and then maybe after that, they sold from stores, from that inventory list. That's my guess, because this isn't wrapped like it came from the outlet. It's not wrapped like other items that I've purchased from the outlet. Okay, let's open this baby up. And I have seen this in other prints before, and I haven't purchased it because I didn't like those as much. They were the CC logo, which I'm not really a fan of, but this print I do like. So I wanted to snag it, and luckily I was able to. I also saw some on eBay. Okay, here we go. Here it is. It is a Coach notebook cover. Let's take a look at this. So it's in the horse and carriage print that they just came out with earlier this year. And in the Coach stores, they have the print in different colors. The Coach Outlet is different colors from the Coach store. So I guess these are outlet colors. And I haven't, my Coach field tote with a rocket on it has the dark brown print of this, but I hadn't ordered any of the outlet colors before, although there's a turquoise that I keep thinking about, but I still haven't ordered it. There's the front and back, and let me get my tape and let's measure it here to see how big it is. It looks like it'd be the A5 size, which is half letter. Okay, it's 8.5 inches this way, and it was 6 1/4. The notebook cover was this way, so 8.5, 6 1/4, which is A5 size, half letter size. It's very soft and supple. It reminds me of the thing that's sitting right in front of me, not over there, which is my Louis Vuitton desk agenda. It is also squishy and floppy. The Coach one is more so. It feels really nice. It has this one strap closure there with the little silver snap. And on this tag that's attached to it, it says the MSRP was $70. I paid, I think half that, $35. I paid $28. Score. All right, let's unsnap it. And one thing that is nice about the Coach Outlet notebook cover that the Louis Vuitton notebook cover doesn't even have is you open it up and there's a notebook included. OMG. I mean, $28 compared to like $600. You'd think they could give you a notebook, but no. You have to buy those separately. It has a piece of styrofoam to protect it, and it's all the way in the other pocket. There we go. Now, one thing that this notebook cover does not have is a pocket on this side. There are no pockets at all there. It's totally plain. But let me take this notebook out. There's a little care instruction card in the back. So here's the notebook, and here is the cover by itself. So it just has this one pocket here. This material is really strange. It's sticky is not the right word, but clingy maybe. It really did keep this notebook in place for sure, and it's like your fingers almost stick to it. It says it's made in India too. It's interesting. I don't think I've ever seen a Coach product made in India, but I really don't pay that much attention. Now I will never be able to get the notebook back into the notebook cover. Like, seriously. I don't think it's gonna happen. Okay, I think I finally succeeded. Yes, I did it. Good job on him. All right, so on the notebook itself, let's see if I can get this to show up. You see where it says Coach right there? That has a little plastic cover. That's what says Coach. Oh, now you can see it. And then it has a blank page there, which is a heavier cardstock. And then the rest of the book is lined pages. And I don't know that that's college ruled or if it's wide ruled. It looks like it's somewhere in between the two. Every once in a while in the notebook, there's something written on it. So here, the distinctive signature C, serif font. I'm reading this through my monitor. It's hard to read. Echoes the original Coach word mark. Is that what that says? What's a word mark? Saddle leather was first used by Coach in its early days as a men's leather goods company. Its natural russet color represents our heritage in leather. So it has a few things like that throughout the book. And then on the back, I'll read that to you. It has this statement. It says, a tradition in leather, the trusty notebook may no longer be the essential instrument it once was to artists and thinkers. Nevertheless, there is something to be said for recording spontaneous bursts of inspiration in your own hand. This Coach notebook is crafted with leather expertise that dates back to 1941, when we began as a small family-run workshop in New York City. We had set out with a simple goal to create beautiful, functional items in modern shapes and the finest leathers. We hope you enjoy this one for a long time to come. The inside of this, based on other bags and things that I've had, it feels synthetic. I'm not convinced that that is real leather. And then the outside is a coated canvas, so that's definitely not leather. And for $28, I would guess that the inside is synthetic. It does have glazed edges. Oh, and a little detail on the back here. It says Coach right there. So it's a very pretty little notebook. I find that the A5 size is my favorite size for notebooks. I don't know that this particular notebook is my favorite. I may switch that out for something else that I like better. Lovely little addition to my planner collection. And I don't think I have anything in a light color. That was part of the reason I wanted it too. Very pretty, good purchase. Now I have one other thing to show you. This is something that I found on eBay, and I got it for $45, and a little tag on it arrived in brand new condition. Tag says it was $85. I'm pretty sure that this was not an outlet item. This seems like, the quality of it seems like it came from the Coach store. But the seller sent it in this little box, and if you like this, there are quite a few other ones still available on eBay. There it is. It's a rocket ship bag charm. Let me take you out and show you this thing. If you are interested, there are a couple things you need to know about it, but let's take a look at it first. So there it is. It's got this black, or really dark, it's not really black, really dark gunmetal sort of hardware, and it's a rocket. As you can see, it says USA, and the back is just black, and it says Coach down at the bottom. I want you to look at the thickness of this. Oh, and also, I really like this, that glazing there is that like a red glitter or burgundy glitter. It's very pretty. But the thickness of this is something I did not realize when I purchased it off eBay. And if I had seen this in person before I had a chance to purchase it, I'm not sure that I would have. And here's why. The piece in the background that has the glazing on it, that piece is leather. Everything else, all those other layers there, that is all solid metal. So this thing is very heavy. I got it thinking I could put it on my Epi Neverfull, but it is so heavy, I haven't even tried it yet. I can tell before trying it. It will pull the leather down, like it will make the bag collapse on itself. It is that heavy. So since I bought it from eBay, I can't really return it. I still think it's beautiful. I just don't know what bag I'll use it on because it's so heavy. But I'll show you a few more details on it. It has black leather in the back, and then this edging here that's a lighter color is in a gold. The Rakuten itself is mostly black, and then it has little silver accents, and like I said, it's all outlined in gold. And then it has these rivets here. They're silver on the base with a little gold on the top. And it's a beautiful little piece. It's a substantial piece. I got it partly because I'm in Houston, Space City, and I got it for a few other reasons too. But yeah, it's really beautiful. I just don't know what to use it on now, because I didn't know it weighed 50,000 pounds. I hope if you're interested in either of these items that you can find them. I'd say your best bet is to check eBay. And like I said, with the notebook, they do have that and a few other patterns as well. So if you don't like the horse and carriage, you might be able to find one of the other ones. Like I know at Valentine's Day, they had one that was all the CCs, but it had little hearts on it too. It was cute. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. I hope that you and your loved ones are doing well, and I hope that I will see you back here next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye.